This is your girl, Angel Sales ATL, and I am out here in Conyers, Georgia. And I want you guys to come along with me on this tour as I tour this 5-bedroom, 3-bath home. And this particular home, you all, it is going for, let me make sure I'm right, $591,900. Okay, doesn't have a basement, but it does have a crawl space. So I want you to come along with me. Stay till the end. I got a treat in store for you. I am headed towards this door. I have not unlocked the door. These doors actually, they do have a key, but they got the fancy lock. But let me start out by looking at this cute front porch. I love this. What do you all think? Got the front, just enough porch there to actually put you a couple of chairs if you like. Look at that. Not wide, but just enough. All right, so let me get into this door. All right, you guys, we're in. Let's go. All right, so I've actually shared another video that the floor plans was kind of set up the same, but I wanted to just show you all exactly what this one looked like. I am working with the client. The other one that I toured, that one was actually already sold, but there's a few different specs in this home that we did not see in the other one. So I'm going to share that with you. When you first come in, yes, you do have the flex space to your left. When you come in, you still have the wide hallway foyer area. We don't have the openness above our head in the foyer, but if you notice, the floors were different. So in the other home, they were more grayish. This one, you have the tan brown. You still have your closet here downstairs. I'm still downstairs. You have a closet there, like a little coat closet. We have a half bath here with the pedestal, okay? And as we walk around, I am actually gonna be a little bit more detailed in this kitchen. I've had people to ask me about this area in the kitchen so that they can see. So let me take you here to my left, okay? We got our stairs. We have a fireplace, which is gorgeous. Look at the high ceilings. Look at the high ceilings. I love the windows, you all. The windows are really making this room pop because it gives it so much light, okay? So we have the open space here. I do want to let you guys know that these look like gas logs. They are. I am not sure if they come with the remote. Someone asked me that question as well. And in this kitchen, notice that the cabinets in here are white. So it is a different look. The floors are different. The cabinets are different. Just come along with me. Let's see exactly what we find different. So far, I've noticed a few things. The flooring for sure. The cabinets they don't look as white now that I'm right up on them. They almost have like a grayish to it, but they do predominantly look white. These homes will come with the stove, which is a gas stove. Your microwave, dishwasher here. We love the sink and the island. I would love to know, you all. Comment down below and let me know, what do you think about the sinks that are in the island? I love the idea because I can cook here. I can cut things up over there. You know, I don't have to be back and forth, back and forth. You know how you are in the kitchen when your sink is on the same side as the stove, right? Now, this is a fancy microwave. You all, I want y'all to see. Okay, so you got the buttons out here, and it maybe it's just me. I'm a little country, but this is nice. These are nice. So you open it from the side. Boom. These microwaves do so much more than just microwave. Look at all the options that you have here. I mean, you can do a whole lot in this microwave. I honestly think it's more like an air fryer too. It is. There we go. See how I did not start a rumor? It is true. You can air fry in there. All right, we're moving along to the refrigerator. Just want to show you guys this frost-free refrigerator, and all of the appliances are Frigidaire. This commercial is not being sponsored by Frigidaire. I am just pointing out facts, okay? Look here on the side, again, fancy. All right, so I hadn't seen this yet with the option or all of this information on the side of the refrigerator. So excuse me if I'm a little wild right now, and you're not. All right, let's check out. I heard noise, and that's the refrigerator, so I don't know how fancy, but it's nice, but it's loud a little bit. All right, coming in the hallway, remember, like in the other one, we have downstairs, this is bedroom number 1. The flex space that we saw is not a bedroom because it does not have a closet, you guys. Someone put a door there, but it doesn't have a closet, so we can't consider it a bedroom. Take a look. Love this. Same setup as the other, like I said, but I think the gray is a little bit darker in here, okay? Love the fixtures that they've used. I really do like these sinks, to be honest. Have you guys seen these? See how it has the one nozzle? You just turn it from hot to cold. See the little button is there? Now it's cold. Love that. All right, let's get out of here. Want to show you the closet. This was a closet. I'm not gonna call it a walk-in because I cannot walk in there. If I walk in there, I'm gonna feel claustrophobic. So we're not gonna do that. Here is our mudroom when I come out. Let's take a look and see how this garage, if it has that extra space to the side for storage. All right, so look, this is a little different, all right? I just walked, I'm coming out from the mudroom area. There's my kitchen, so you can get a visual. I have a couple of steps right here, so I don't know if my client is gonna like this, only because I know what they're looking for. And the home is nice, but you know how everybody has a deal breaker? I believe that this garage may be the deal breaker. So you have an extra space over here, but it almost don't make sense here because you can pull an extra car in here, I guess, and kind of turn it and park it. Or you can use this as a storage. I don't know. What do y'all think? Seriously, I would love to know how you would utilize this space. Let me step back. So you got your stairs here, so you can't whip a car over here, and then, because the stairs are there. And then you can definitely fit 2 cars, don't get me wrong. But I'm just trying to understand now in this particular home, this space. All right, so I'm gonna get off my soapbox. I am going back in. And I want you guys to stay till the end because I am anxious to see how they utilize the space upstairs, if it's exactly alike. Let's take a look. I noticed that in here, they do not have carpet as well. On the stairway, the high traffic areas, we still have our window as we're going up. We still have the iron rod rails here, which is nice. Let me give you a view from the top. Okay, those 6 windows are gorgeous. All right, let me turn. We still have another additional space up here. You can use it how you may. Still has that cut there in the wall. We still have this closet. This is bedroom number 2. And again, the bedrooms are, I'm still same size, 30 by 30. The square footage of this one is about the same as the other one I did in that other video. So it's a little over 3,000 square feet. Get you some light there. This is a walk-in closet. You can literally walk in here, put your clothes, hang them up, and come on out. All right. Let's see what we're working with. Bedroom number, where am I at? 3. Bedroom number 3. You do have a closet there. Again, about the same size, to be honest with you. With the window, it does give it that illusion that it's a little bigger than what it is. So we like that. And bedroom size is still about the same. Just that cut is a little different there. So you can still place furniture in here really nice, cute. You could make this an office. to be honest with you. There's a lot of opportunity for offices in this home because it's so much light. You don't want to be in an office where it feels like dungeon, right? Bedroom number 4. You got 2 corner blinds there. So you got 3 windows in here. 3 windows in this corner, and you have the walk-in closet. I will give you the view from the door as well. Walk-in closet, truly. Let me show you how you look at it when you're coming in, just in case. All right, see, we have 3 windows. So let's step out. I have a full bath here. And remember, this has a total of 4 bathrooms, but it's only 3.5 bath. Sometimes when people list homes, and I don't know if you guys noticed, but the stone is a different color there. The other one that I did, that I did the video of, it actually had more gray. So because the floors in here were more brown, I think that's why they went with that. So you have the his and her double-sided vanity there. But see, the floors are more brown in here. So that's why the color of the backsplash and all of that is a little different in this home, so it would all go together. You have a linen closet in the hallway. There's some light. And again, the carpet in here is different too. You still have your thermostat in the master. Are you guys ready? Are we ready? Let's check it out. All right, y'all. Okay. Listen, I still was expecting to be blown away. I'm not blown away in this primary bedroom, but it's okay. We got the tray ceilings. I do love the house. If I had to rate this house, I would give it an 8, to be honest with you. I really would. I like anything new. I don't know if that's everybody's opinion. I am not in a new house myself, but who doesn't like something new, right? Alrighty, so in the master bathroom, we got the double vanity. I love the fixtures that they use. To the right, we still have a linen closet in here, which is cool. We have the walk-in. You guys know I'm not wowed by the shower because I did not get in it. I did get in the other one, but it's just, and honestly, what I would have done in this house is not had this linen here, made this entire space a shower, like with the bench, with shower heads on, dual shower heads on both sides, like a whole situation. And then it just would have been different because look at the space that we could have utilized. We didn't really need this linen closet to be in here, but that's okay. I'm not the builder. I am going to stay in my lane. You got your door that closes off here from the toilet. And again, we got a master walk-in closet. But I don't think this closet is small. I actually love the space. As I said before, I do like this closet. I just expected more. Oh, you know what I missed, y'all? Okay, I almost missed this. Hold on. Wait 1 second. All right, so as I come in here, right? We're in the master bedroom, master bath. There's a door here. Boom. You have the laundry room that connects to this master closet. I need to know right now, flood my inbox, please. What do y'all think about this? I don't think I like the laundry room coming off my closet door right here. Now that is a no-no, because if you have children, a family, you don't need, I'm going through the laundry room, okay? Now we're going to end up in this hallway. See, there are the stairs. There were all the other bedrooms. Now you got your privacy being, Okay, I'm sorry. Didn't mean to get too personal, but you have no privacy. Now this is a huge laundry room. Let me get the light on. Let me get it on. Let me get it on. Okay, your attic door is in here. Okay, that's fine. Wash and dry room. I love this. You can even put a sink in here. Again, space not being utilized. To be honest with you, this could have not been this way. This could have been smaller, giving you more room in the master. What do y'all think? You got your utility closet. This is like a utility closet now in the newer homes. When you're getting cameras and all that stuff, now they have everything wired differently. So that is not your electrical box. But I want to know, what are the people saying? What do you think about that laundry room? I just want to know. Let me get these lights back off. I'm sorry, y'all. You got to come back along with me to get the lights off. I went on a tangent about that darn laundry room. I'm sorry. Let's go outside. Want to show you one last thing. And I also want to say thank you so very much to all of you guys for continuing to like, share, and follow. I really appreciate you all. I want to show you the view of this home as well. The lot is 1 acre, okay? This one has a crawl space, which is why you see the stairs here. I am not gonna tour the crawl space for you guys. I think that's a bit much. But I love y'all, but not that much to go in the crawl space. We're gonna save that for the inspector. All right, but look at this deck. Beautiful, gorgeous deck. This is actually a corner lot, but gorgeous. And I may have misspoken. I think there will be another house built here, so don't take that back. This is not a corner lot, but you can see the corner from here, from this house. Where you see the flags is where the property line is, but this is 1 acre. So you get to come out on your house every day, out on your porch every day, and take a look at this gorgeous, beautiful home that you can own and purchase. This is your girl, Angel Sales ATL. And again, I thank you all. I hope you have an amazing day, and you should know what is coming next. I will see you soon. See you on the next video, and you guys have a good one, okay?